What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be showing you how to make $25 a day online straight from your phone. All right, so each method I'm going to be showing you I currently use on a daily and weekly basis. If you want to check any of them out, I'll throw a link down there that'll go back to our website. You can check out some of these methods. All right, anyways, Ignition Poker, this is what I'm going to be starting things off with here. Now, I'm a huge poker player. This is a real money poker app. I've been playing on here for the last couple of years. I've had numerous cash outs. Won a tournament, 2 or 3 months ago now for $3,800. Took me about 6 or 7 hours of gameplay to get that, but I definitely made it happen. And if you have a knack for poker, you can make a lot more than $25 a day. Obviously, on the flip side, you got to be careful because you can lose too. But like I said, if you're into Texas Hold'em, check out Ignition. They've got some great sign-up bonuses as well as just some great software. I mean, this is some of the best software, I've seen personally, and currently Ignition is the #1 place in the US for playing a lot of these real money poker games on your phone. All right, so I'm gonna have to fold this Ace-10 suited. They also do 1.5 million in weekly tournament prizes, so a lot of money to, take a stab at there. All right, so the next method I'm going to be showing you is going to be stock trading with Robinhood. I'm a huge Robinhood user. I've been using them for at least probably about 4 years now. I'm about to show you this account where, I would say just in the last month here, I've probably come close to hitting that, $25 a day mark. So in the last month, I've made somewhere around almost $600, kind of fluctuates a little bit. There is a lot that goes into learning stock trading. I mean, you can, do long-term investing, day trading, swing trading. There are so many different ways that you can make money with stock trading, but my recommendation to everybody out there would be to just get started with it. You will need some upfront money. I would say save up at least $1,000 or $2,000 before you actually get into this method. But you can kind of see the power of it. Even though I've got about 10,000 in this account, I don't really keep this much all the time. It's usually about 2,000 to 3,000 at a time. I try to make small profits and then cash out, and it's very powerful. Plus, Robinhood has 0 commissions, for buying and selling. So you can do this all. I mean, you could technically start with as little as $5, but I recommend saving up a little bit because it does, take some money to make some money. So try to save up a little bit before you get into that. Okay, Coinbase, this is, my go-to for trading cryptocurrency. You also need to save up a little bit of money here to get started with this method. But, just in the last, 12 months, I've made somewhere between $5,000 and $6,000 in profit trading, on my phone in my spare time on Coinbase. So Coinbase is basically, one of the, well, actually it's the biggest Bitcoin wallet in exchange right now in the US. I've been using them for about 3 years, but I can show you some of my history on here. You can see some of my buying and selling. This was a bigger one. What was this, in March, I want to say? Yeah, March. Over the last 12 months, I've made quite a good amount of trades. I've made some good money on these trades, and Bitcoin's definitely popping off again. And it's probably a good time to get into this with Coinbase. All right, so the next method we're gonna be checking out here is gonna be with Inbox Dollars. Now, Inbox Dollars is cool. You can make an easy $50 to $150 a month using this app. I've proven it over and over. Right now, my account's got about 300 in it. You can refer people to it, which is what I've been doing lately. But at the same time, you can watch videos, play games on here, take surveys. I've got the survey portion downloaded on my phone right now, but they've got Inbox Dollars for just about everything. Once you kind of get the hang of Inbox Dollars, it becomes pretty easy to use on a daily basis. But if you want to take it a little bit further, like I said, you can refer people to it if you have any kind of following. But you can expect to make $50 to $150 a month. So it's kind of just a nice little add-on for you. And the last app I wanted to throw on here was going to be M1 Finance. This is another kind of like investing app. Now, you're not going to make as much here, but I wanted to throw it on the list because I think it's a cool investing app for people to get started with. This is a robo-advisor that allows you to pick out your investments. So, basically how this works is you choose what companies you want to own, and then M1 Finance manages it all for you. It's really cool. Definitely my favorite robo-advisor out there right now, and you need a minimum of 100 to get started with it, but I also recommend saving up a little bit more to kind of get the ball rolling with it. But I'm just going to recap for everybody here. Now, making that $25 extra a day really isn't that hard when you combine everything I'm showing you here. Now, if you're good at poker, Ignition is just where it's at. You can play a lot of real money games on there from your phone, whether it's cash games, sit and goes, tournaments. You do really well on there if you have a knack for poker and you have the patience for it. Stock trading with Robinhood, you can definitely make a lot of money with stock trading on your phone. You got to save up a little bit to get started, but you know, you would be amazed how much you can make doing that. And then of course you've got Coinbase. I think it's a good time to get into this whole you know, cryptocurrency thing. It's kind of just popping off again right now, and Coinbase is the best place to get started. Inbox Dollars, you can make an easy $50 to $150 a month, and then M1 Finance is my favorite robo-advisor, where you can make probably anywhere from 3 to 7 to 8% on your money once you start putting some in there. Anyways, you guys, hope that helps you out. I hope you can hit that $25 a day mark straight from your phone. I know I've done it. I know you can do it. If you want to check out any of these methods, I'll throw a link down there that'll take you back to our website to check them out more in depth. If you could also hit the like and share, I'd appreciate it. If you have not subscribed to us, hit that subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all later.